Are you ready to discover what Apple is secretly planning next? Even while millions of people are still trying to get their hands on the current M5 model, Apple is already deep in development on the next generation iPad Pro. That is how fast the tech world moves. Apple never slows down. The very moment one device launches, the team is already working on its successor. Today, we are diving into everything we know so far about the upcoming iPad Pro and why it might be the most powerful tablet ever created. Right now, the latest lineup includes the 11-inch and 13-inch M5 iPad Pro models. The latest update was not dramatic, but it really did not need to be. The massive redesign already happened in 2024. That was the year Apple introduced the stunning tandem OLED display. Colors became far richer, blacks became much deeper, and brightness levels improved in a huge way. On top of that, we got ProMotion technology for ultra-smooth scrolling and instant responsiveness. And let us not forget the incredible physical design. The 13-inch model is just 5.3 millimeters thin. It is officially the thinnest Apple product ever made. Yet despite that ultra-thin body, Apple still promises up to 10 hours of battery life, which is wildly impressive for such a slim device. Under the hood, the M5 chip brought solid performance gains across the board. Along with it came the brand new N1 chip and the C1X chip for cellular models. For basic users, this level of raw power might feel like total overkill. Everyday tasks like web browsing, streaming video, taking notes, and light photo editing run completely effortlessly even on much older chips. But the iPad Pro is not built only for casual users. It is designed specifically for demanding professionals. Think of video editors working with multi-track timelines in Final Cut Pro. Think of music creators producing complex tracks in Logic Pro. Think of designers building intricate 3D models from scratch. For these power users, every single bit of extra performance matters, and the M-series chips make the iPad Pro feel truly future-proof. Now let us talk about what is coming next. If you are expecting a complete physical redesign, you may need to lower your expectations just a bit. Most trusted industry sources suggest that Apple will stick with the current design language. Apple usually keeps the same overall physical chassis for roughly 4 to 5 years. Since the last big refresh happened back in 2024, we are very likely to see the same overall look until at least 2028. That means the impossibly slim body stays. The phenomenal 4-speaker setup remains. The single USB-C Thunderbolt port will probably not change either. Thunderbolt 4 support should continue to provide lightning-fast data transfers and effortless external display support. The camera system is also expected to remain largely similar. We will likely still see the reliable rear camera paired with the LiDAR sensor for advanced augmented reality tasks and precise scanning. Battery life should stay solid around the standard 10-hour mark. And yes, that breathtaking tandem OLED display with ProMotion is definitely here to stay. Apple may surprise us by introducing a fresh new color option. Right now, the choices are limited to space black and silver, but rumors suggest we might see the return of space gray or perhaps an entirely new finish. However, you should not expect any dramatic visual overhauls on the outside. The real story of this upcoming release will happen entirely inside the device. The next iPad Pro is widely expected to feature the powerful new M6 chip. Based on Apple's standard upgrade patterns, we could easily see a 15 to 20% improvement in CPU performance. That number might sound modest on paper, but in real-world professional use, it makes a massive difference. Rendering heavy video files, exporting massive high-resolution projects, and running multiple pro-grade apps at the exact same time will feel noticeably smoother. When you are working on tight deadlines, every single second saved adds up quickly. Even more exciting than the CPU is the potential GPU upgrade. For the last 2 generations, Apple capped the GPU at 10 cores. However, strong rumors suggest that the M6 chip could finally bring a powerful 12-core GPU to the tablet lineup. Those extra graphical cores could unlock incredible performance jumps. We are talking about true console-level gaming on a device that is thinner than most modern smartphones. We are talking about buttery-smooth 4K and even demanding 8K video editing on the go. Designers and engineers will enjoy significantly faster 3D rendering times. If this GPU upgrade happens, the iPad Pro will push closer than ever to true high-end laptop performance. Memory could also see a massive and very welcome upgrade. Currently, the base models with lower storage tiers come equipped with 12 GB of RAM. If you want 16 GB of RAM, you are forced to spend top dollar on the 1 TB or 2 TB storage options. However, widespread speculation indicates that Apple might finally standardize 16 GB of RAM across all storage models. That would be a massive win for all power users. More RAM translates directly to better background multitasking, enhanced stability when using heavy creative applications, and superior long-term performance as operating systems grow more demanding over time. Faster overall memory speeds could also boost general system responsiveness across the entire user experience. We are also expecting to see major hardware improvements in Apple's neural processing units. If an upgraded neural engine chip arrives, it will dramatically boost on-device AI tasks. This means much smarter photo and video processing, faster and more accurate voice recognition, and far more advanced machine learning features running directly on your iPad without needing an active internet connection or cloud processing. On the cellular side of things, a new connectivity chip could bring even faster 5G speeds alongside improved power efficiency. That is fantastic news for digital nomads and professionals who rely heavily on mobile data while working on the go. Now let us talk about the price. The good news is that a major price increase seems very unlikely. Apple typically raises base prices only when they bump up base storage options or introduce major structural redesigns. Since storage tiers were recently adjusted, the starting price should stay comfortably the same for both the 11-inch and 13-inch models. That is great news for anyone planning their budget for an upcoming upgrade. As for the official release timing, the absolute earliest window could be late 2026, but a much more realistic timeline is spring 2027. Apple typically maintains an 18-month update cycle between major iPad Pro launches. The M5 model is still very fresh, so Apple will want to give it plenty of time in the market before rolling out its powerful successor. So what does all of this mean for you right now? If you are currently using an older iPad model and need a reliable upgrade today, the M5 iPad Pro is already one of the most capable tablets on the planet and will easily last you for many years. But if you are a power user who demands peak performance and can afford to wait, holding out for the M6 generation could be a very smart move, especially if those major GPU and RAM upgrades come to fruition. The iPad Pro continues to set the absolute benchmark for premium tablets, blending power, portability, and design better than anything else on the market. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that, and give your best opinion about this product also.